I just want to say thank you first because listening to this takes time and I never want to waste that. My hope is that it always gives something back to you. For a long time, I believed in God, but there were reasons where I loved Him from a distance, not because I didn't have faith, but because I didn't feel ready or strong or sure I hadn't missed something. Life happens, good things, hard things, and sometimes you quietly assume that if there was a purpose for a calling meant for you, maybe it already passed. But one verse that keeps coming back to me is where Jesus says, "Come to me, all who are weary and burdened, and I will give you rest." That verse doesn't say come to me when you're fixed. It doesn't say come to me when you're ready. It just says come. If you're tired, if you're worn down, if you're searching for faith or hope again, my prayer is that you find the same rest I did. There's still room. Just come as you are.